Today we talk about how can you enable biometric authentication on your eToro app. We go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on settings. So then you come to next step here, then all you have to do now, just click here on account here. So when you just click here on account, you come to next step here. So then you go down here, you keep going down. So you come here to biometric authentication here. So just click in this sign and here can you add it in this list. So then it's going to enable with you here when you scan your fingerprint here. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.